got a seat at GNLU. There I'm doing BSWLL. When I joined Endeavor, I hadn't had any specific dream like what I want to do, but one thing was clear in my mind, that I wanted to always go in the Tier 1 NLU, which I am at now. Everything at Endeavor helped me, ranging from the test series, modules, faculties, and all the, especially the test analysis, like they were very regular, and it helped me check my progress a lot, like where I was lacking and all. It is very systematic. I would rather say that it's not very light. For me, it was like somewhat hectic because it constantly kept me on the track, and it helped me check my record. Am I going in the right direction, or what is my mistake, and what should I do? Like in some of the areas I was lacking so much, so it really helped me. Endeavor's test series, I would say that it was really very similar to the actual CLAT exam. Like the quant, GK section and the English, it was very much similar, but the quant section of Endeavor mock series, it was really tough as compared to the actual exam. I had also given the SLAT exam, so that's why I had prepared a wet, and it really showed me about how my writing skills are and what should I improve in it. Also, the group discussions, it really helped me with how people are going and what should be my next approach with it. Doubt test, it was also very much helpful. Whenever I went to doubt test, they would clear all of my doubts. I would just not have a single doubt remaining for the exams. And also the technical team, it was also like whenever I would suggest them to upload a new mock or anything, they would just do it in a day or two. Yes, the online application, I would say it is really very, very helpful. All the analysis videos and all that are posted on it, the continuous mock series which is on the portal, and the practice test also, which helped me a lot. Like the analysis of the questions, it is very much detailed, and we don't happen to have a doubt also, why is the answer like this or that. Be consistent with the strongest subject, even if you feel like I have known all the topics there, and never ever get to leave this weakest subject also. The second tip I would like to give to everyone is that never ever underestimate that the weakest subject you have, you would not score much, and I will just focus on my subject, which was the mistake which cost me 3 marks in my CLAT exam. So I would just not do the quant section much from the beginning, and at last I realized that I did a big mistake. So I didn't follow that mistake in other exams like the IELTS and all I gave. So that's the second one. And the third advice which I would give them is that always be in contact with the faculties. They would show you all the things that you need to do, and the path which you are following is right or not. As the Endeavor tagline is dream, endeavor and achieve, so it really helps in that. I would really like to thank Endeavor for all the support which they give me, and all the faculties. Faculties are still in contact with me. They are helpful in my college life also. So it's really an amazing experience. And also I miss studying in Endeavor. I joined Endeavor back in my 11th standard. So it was like my routine. So all my weekends were with Endeavor only. I miss all the faculty, studying with them, and my peer group also. They were also very much supportive.